Our family is like a beautiful garden. For me, my family is everything. I love my wife a lot. She means everything to me. This is my wife, Mammu. This is my father. He treats me as a very good friend. This is my mother. More than me, she likes my wife. This is my cute sister, Shilpa. I have such a beautiful family, but unfortunately, God hasn't given me a child. Because of this, we have a lot of problems. We are going through a very difficult time.
Mom, there's still time left, right?
I'm ready. Are you
ready? Can we go? You look
Okay,
beautiful
are you
today.
ready? Since 5 o'clock in the morning, you've been dressing up for this only, huh?
What do you know? We have a lot of things to be done.
Okay.
Father, stop teasing them, please. They might feel bad.
Okay, son.
We can
Okay.
stay quiet.
Daughter, are you ready?
Mom, yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, is it?
She's ready.
Shall we go? All are ready, no? Come, let's go.
Come.
Come, let's go. My feet is burning. Mamu darling. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Why is this guy calling me now?
Hello?
Why are you calling me? I'm in the middle of something very important. I'm more horny than my first night, buddy. Keep the phone.
I have to talk to you something urgent.
Hey, keep the phone. Keep the phone.
Just get lost. Always giving me some excuse and avoiding.
He won't understand my problem. Stupid guy. Mamu, come fast.
Yeah, I'm
I
coming.
can't wait.
Oh my god. Please move aside. You're behaving as if it's our first night. We've been married for 5 years now.
My darling, we went and prayed in the temple today. Do you know why? Because I want a baby. Come on, let's begin.
Wait, only today we started the special prayers. Mom told us to wait for 9 days. Understand?
Oh no, mother!
What? What happened? Why did you spread so much flowers on your bed? Tell me. What has happened to you?
No, nothing.
What are you doing here? Come on.
Going to the temple, fasting like this every day. Why are they doing this? Nothing is working out. What is this? Oh God, what a life. They went to the temple and prayed for a child. If we sleep like this every day separately, how will a child be born? I'll call my friend.
I will not pick up. I will not pick up your call at all. God promised I will not pick up. Stupid fellow. Yeah, tell me.
I'm sorry, friend. I hope you're not angry with me because I cut your call. I wanna ask you something. The thing is, today we went to the temple to pray. We prayed for a child, but the problem is we sleep every day separately. How will a child be born?
I'm not interested in talking with you. We'll call you at morning.
Oh no. Grandma has mailed us. She's coming here tomorrow.
Is that so? Is mother coming?
Mother-in-law's coming?
Grandmother.
Oh, I don't know what is in store for each of us here. Oh God, save me alone from this problem.
Oh no. Father. Father.
Hey, what man?
I haven't slept the whole night. I'm worried. Grandma creates problems wherever she goes.
Is it so?
I really wonder what's gonna happen
Hey,
today.
nothing will happen, man. Just see whether she's coming. You in the middle.
Father, when Grandma comes, she'll park her vehicle here.
Yes.
She'll come on her own inside. Come, let's
Okay.
go.
Hey, wait, son. Will she leave you if you go inside? Fool.
Oh.
Wait here, man. Hey, mother is coming, man.
Father,
her,
help
catch her.
me. Stop it.
What, mother? At this age, you're coming in high speed in a bullet? Huh.
You were adamant that you will not ride your father's bike. That is why I have taken it out today.
Grandma, you maintain the body really well.
Hey,
No, I was talking about
just
the bike.
keep your mouth shut for some time.
Where is your wife?
Mother, my wife has gone inside to take the aarti plate, mother.
My mama too.
All right. Just park this bike somewhere, okay?
Okay.
Mother, careful, careful,
Both
mother.
of you come fast.
Father, help me.
Hold it, man. Careful.
Oh,
Hey, it's not moving, man. Push it, man.
be careful, slowly.
Show aarti to her face.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
This is enough. I can't eat more. Would you like to have one more?
No, Grandma, I'm trying to maintain my body.
Shit. You should not maintain your figure without eating anything. You should eat everything and do exercise, yoga, walking, everything. You will be healthy.
Keep quiet, Grandma. If I do exercise and yoga, my body will pain, right?
Just keep quiet. Son, from tomorrow onwards, I don't need one chicken. I need 4 chickens and 40 eggs.
Okay, mother. I will arrange it.
अदयोगानुशासनं योगः चित्तवृत्तिनिरोधः तथा स्वरूपे अवस्थानं वृत्तिसारूप्यं नितरत्व वृत्तयः पञ्चतयः क्लिष्टा प्रमाणविपर्यय विकल्प निद्रा स्मृतयः प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान आगमा प्रमाणानि विपर्ययो मिथ्या ज्ञानम्.
Why do you do yoga at this age?
Dear, what do you know about that? In those days, to bring a pot of water, we had to walk miles and miles. We had to draw water from the well and bring. And for grinding, we had grinding stones. We were not tired at all. We were washing clothes, washing vessels, sweeping the house, and decorating the house. All sorts of things. These are all a type of yoga.
Is it?
When we give so much stress to our body, we will be healthy. Understand? But nowadays, my God, this is new generation. Everything you have machine. Nowadays, all the ladies are sitting idle without doing any work. Do you know what are the benefits of yoga? If you do yoga, you will not have diabetics, no BP, mind will be peaceful. Nowadays, everybody started doing yoga. That is why we are celebrating World Yoga Day. First and foremost, we should know about ourselves. We don't know about our country at all. Yoga is very good. Each exercise has a scientific reason. By doing this yoga, our body will be refreshed. Did you understand what I say? Why are you nodding just like that? Okay, go, I'll come.
All right, I'm going down, you come.
Grandma?
I know that you will not sit here without any reason. What is it?
The thing is, for many days, I have a doubt. Grandma, as per the spiritual logic, if the body and the spirit are different, having a fast, praying to God, torturing ourselves, do we really have to punish our body? We can be happy without doing all those things.
You are so silly. Don't think spirit is different and body is different. Body and spirit have a lot of similarities. Finally, spirit has to reach its destination. If we strain our body and sacrifice ourselves, spirit will reach its destination. You see, if you don't strain your body and sacrifice, the spirit will be unhappy and it will roam here and there. And we call it devil and ghost. For the satisfaction of the spirit, we should be reading holy scriptures and pray to God continuously. If our body is not pure, the spirit will go from our body. However may be the spirit, the identity of a person will be by his body.
Mom? Mom, Dad says he wants coffee.
I'm making it.
Oh, Mom, put less sugar.
I know that.
The other day we saw one serial, right? The daughter-in-law added a lot of sugar and gave her father-in-law. Do you know?
Why did you say that now?
Mom, you know very well that Dad is the sugar patient. Then why do you add so much sugar?
She doesn't know anything. Just leave it.
I didn't like
Father,
the
give me the
attitude at all.
paper. I
That's
want to
why.
know which movies are running.
A mega serial is going inside. You just want to see a movie?
See, Mom, her father-in-law is diabetic and she doesn't have any common sense at all.
Mother-in-law should know about it. If she adds some milk, it will be alright.
Why should she add more milk? Then along with sugar, he'll also have cholesterol. After that, in the next 5 episodes, he'll be in the hospital.
Mother-in-law knows everything, okay?
Son, tell me, man.
that's
Father,
what I was
Seems
trying
like
to
they're
tell you.
fighting
Why
very
you
well
make
inside.
such a
Father,
big issue?
you know,
thought about
they're
this
telling the
one.
dialogues
She
from
knows
all the mega serials.
Yeah.
We can surely make a serial with these two.
Ah, yes, that is true.
If I was there, I would have strangled the
I
daughter-in-law.
would have pulled her eyes.
I would have broken her teeth.
I would have given her a slap.
I would pull her hair.
I would have cut her hair.
I would have broken her
I
legs.
would have broken her hands and throw away.
I would have
Father, is mother's voice louder or my wife's voice?
Burnt her.
I would have beaten her red and black.
Hey, it is your wife who's shouting,
I
man.
wouldn't have left her like that.
We both have been arguing. What are they both doing there?
That's right.
Come on.
Let's go and see.
Oh God, they are coming.
See, what you both are
Huh?
doing here? We both were arguing there. You both are sitting and laughing at us. Is it?
Hey, were you both fighting inside? I thought you were watching some mega serial.
Dad, we were arguing so much inside and you said that we were watching serial.
Huh? That wasn't a serial? That was a movie? Who are the artists in it?
What?
Huh?
Mom, where did they go?
Where will they go? Wherever they go, they have to come back to us only. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Hello? How are you? Oh, I'm fine. What about you? Oh. Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay, I'll call you later. Bye.
Good night,
Hey,
Grandmom.
where are you going?
Huh?
Come here. Sit here. Press my legs. It's 5 years since you got married. How is your husband?
He's very good.
I asked you about the sexual relationship.
That is also good. He'll sleep on one side of the bed and I'll sleep on the other side.
What nonsense. Idiots. Okay, now tell me, how was your first night?
Grandmom, that day when I took milk and went, when I entered the room, then he took it from me.
Come on, proceed.
That's what, Grandmom. That day when I took milk and went, he was sitting inside and I gave him the milk.
Hey,
And then,
if you don't say properly,
after that, I took milk and went. No.
come to the subject immediately.
That's what, Grandmom. I took milk and went. He was sitting inside the room. I gave him the milk. He drank the milk. And do you know what he did after that?
Din
everything is perfect. But somewhere some mistake has happened. Okay, I will see to it. Now you may go.
Okay, Grandmom. Good night. Now you may sleep well.
Grandma? Bye.
Hey, come and sit here.
Oh no, not again. Oh, what happened, Grandma?
What happened? Are you not in good terms with your wife?
Who told you that?
No one need to tell me. I can understand a person by their behavior. Even after 5 years, I cannot see a tiny result.
Don't talk like this, Grandma.
Hey, when I say result, it's about a child.
Oh, I see. Grandma, you know, actually, me and my wife have thought of a plan. Actually, we've done some family planning.
Oh, family planning. From your face, I can make out that you are good for nothing. Show me your hand.
Is my health okay, Grandma?
Yes, in your case, everything is okay.
Oh.
When you come in the evening, you come and see me. I'll give you a medicine.
Medicine? For who, Grandma?
It's for you. You are so dry now.
What are you saying?
Why do you ask like that? You come and see me in the evening. I can't tell you everything now. Go and do your work.
Okay. Grandma, I don't want to go.
What do you mean? Go and do your work.
Okay, I'll go to work. Grandma, sit properly. You might
I
fall
know that.
down. Which direction should I go in?
Right.
Right or left?
I told you to turn to the right, is it?
Okay,
Go right.
right.
Yeah. That's it. Why are you driving like this? You have no strength at all. This
I
road
can't
is
go
not
fast.
so good, so you
Don't
go
force me.
slowly. Can you drive or
okay,
shall I drive?
Okay. Grandma? 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 Where is she? I don't see her anywhere. Grandma? 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 Where did you go leaving me alone? What if an animal comes and eats me up? Who'll take care of my wife? Oh no! Grandma! Grandma, where are you? Grandma? Grandma? What medicinal plant was she talking about? If she wanted coriander leaves, I could have got it for her from the market. This Grandma. Oh, I feel dizzy. Grandma, where are you? Why did you leave me alone in this forest? Grandma, I knew
Hey,
you would
come
do
down.
something like this.
Yeah,
come here, give me
slowly.
a hand.
Don't get scared.
Quick.
You come down. I'm here, no?
Where did you go? I got scared.
Why don't you just come down from there?
First tell me, why did you leave me?
First you come down. I will tell all that later. You come down.
Come this side. Come here, here, right there.
Do you know how great your grandfather is?
Oh, don't talk about Grandpa now. He killed an elephant, carried it on his shoulder. I know that story. Please, come and help
You
me.
jump from there. Why are you so scared? I will just take a stick and give you nicely now.
Mamu.
Yeah,
I
like
hope
that.
I get
Get
to
out.
see you again.
Get down. Don't get scared. You just come down. That's it. That's it. Very good.
Huh? Nothing
Oh,
happened to me.
What is this?
You wanted curry leaves? If you had asked me, I would have got it
I
from the
know
market.
everything. You just keep
I
quiet.
know the benefits of curry leaves. You don't have to tell me. I could have just got it from the market for you.
These kind of curry leaves, you can't get it in the market. It'll be only in the forest.
Wild curry leaves? Oh no. What a day.
Oh my god,
Oh,
this fellow doesn't
back
know
hurts.
anything. You just keep quiet for some time.
What are you doing, Grandma?
Can't you see
Please,
that
let's
I'm
go
working?
from here.
Okay, give you a hand. Get up.
Give me a hand.
Yeah, like that. Yes, very good. Yeah. What kind of a person you are?
This
Come
way.
on, walk. Yeah. Slowly. Catch me
My
properly.
back. Oh.
Sometimes you will have to tolerate all such
Grandma.
things. This is life.
Oh.
You are such young. And you
I
have no
can't
strength
walk.
at all. Shame. Oh God! This is what I was looking for. My God, at last I've got it. Good.
Grandma? Grandma? Because we had to get these stupid dried leaves, I had to break my hips.
Everything will be alright. I've got this now.
I can't take this. I want to go home.
I know everything.
Please.
That's why I'm doing this.
Let's go home.
Hey, out of the necessary ingredients, I've got only 2. Now I need 108 more.
Grandma, what are you saying? I really doubt I'll be alive till you get them.
Dear, life and death is not in our hands.
Oh.
Okay, come,
Please
let's
hold
go
my
now.
hand.
Come, hold me. Come. Why are you like this? Be careful. Slowly. Don't miss the plants.
I shouldn't have listened to her. Grandma,
What do you want?
I think you forgot this. Why don't you take this?
Idiot. If I take that plant, whatever you have, that also you will lose.
Oh. Okay, if you say so.
Come on, walk now.
Come here, Grandma.
I am holding.
Help me. I can't walk. Grandma, if my mother gets to know about this, she'll feel really bad.
Don't
she'll
be
cry
silly.
a lot.
Don't blabber.
Grandma,
Walk.
I can't walk. Grandma,
You have to.
I've never been in a situation like this. We've been walking the whole day.
Actually, you
My
have
back
to.
hurts.
Don't
My
talk.
body
You
aches.
walk now.
I can't walk.
Come, let's go. Come.
Grandma, no.
Walk fast. Let's go. Hey, why are you crying like that?
Grandma.
Don't make things so complicated.
Why did you do this to
Nothing.
me?
It's very simple.
I can't bear the pain. My
Just
back
bear it for
aches.
some time.
Mamu, where are you? Come fast.
I've told you not to cry like that. You are crying as if the sky has come down on you.
My back. Grandma. I shouldn't have listened to you. Grandma.
Mother,
Come fast, Mamu.
Mother,
Where are
yeah.
you?
mother,
Yeah, what do you want?
are you preparing some medicine?
Can't you see that?
Yeah, I'm seeing. Why is that fellow shouting?
I think he has got some back pain.
Mamu.
He's shouting so much. How is he going to take the medicine?
He has to eat it.
I see. Is it not for the medicine? You're eating it directly?
I know what to do. Keep quiet.
Mother, add this also, no?
No, it's enough.
Mother, add this for extra medicine. He might be needing some more energy.
Hey, you don't teach me. I know everything.
Mamu.
Wait, I'm
Come
coming.
fast. Mamo.
Oh my god, what happened to you?
I can't bear this pain. Mamo, I swear,
Oh no.
I can't bear
How did
this
this
pain.
happen to you?
I don't know what's gonna happen. I can't even stand straight. The day Grandma set her foot inside her house, I knew something would go wrong. Now my back is broken. Oh, my back. Mamo, do something. If you really like me,
Grandma.
do something now, please.
Grandma.
Have you finished?
Oh, my back.
What happened to you, dear?
Oh, my back hurts.
Okay, I'll press. Grandmom! Grandmom!
Yes, I'm coming. Now what has happened to you? Why are you shouting?
His back is paining, Grandmom.
Hey, what's happened to you?
How dare you ask me what happened? I told you I'm not coming with you, but you just didn't listen to me. You made me climb such a tall tree. I fell down and broke my back. I can't bear this pain. After knowing everything, you still ask me what's wrong, huh?
My God. Just keep quiet. Yes, son. Just come here.
Coming, ma, coming. Yes, mother. What is it, mother?
Now, you just hold it properly. Just be careful, otherwise
Okay,
it will
okay.
fall. Now, you climb on top.
Why, Grandma?
What? Climb on top of the bed.
Oh no.
Now, stamp on his back.
How can I?
Do what I say.
Oh no, God, please save him. Grandma's forcing me to do this. Oh my God. Oh no, what will I
See,
do, God? Oh
Nothing
no.
has happened. Why are you crying like this?
Grandmom, you asked me to stamp on him. I did it only once. I think he's gone forever. Oh God.
Look, nothing has happened. Don't worry.
Oh, my husband.
I will beat you now. Just keep quiet.
Look at him, Grandmom.
Look, give me that.
Mother, you want to give this medicine?
Yes, I have to give him.
Mother, you want to give this medicine at this stage? No, mother.
I have to give him now.
Oh God, I pity this fellow. Mother, give 1 spoon alone.
You have no brain. Give 1 spoon to him. Go.
Oh God. Oh my son, open your mouth. Open your mouth. That way. Open
You
your
fool.
mouth.
Give to him.
Open your mouth. That way. That's it.
Dear, get up.
What, Grandmom?
Hey, can you hear any sound coming from anywhere?
Grandmom, what is this new sound in our house?
Oh God, why did I ask you? Go sleep. now.
Okay, leave it.
Hey, why are you shying away? Hey, bring some water for drinking.
Water. Who, me?
You only, man.
Okay. I'll get you a lot of water.
Why are you staring at me, mother? As if I've done something wrong.
Have you done a small mistake? Hey, where is the medicine?
Medicine? Which medicine, mother?
Yes, the medicine which we did day before yesterday, understand?
That medicine? I don't have it. Mother, you and I prepared it 2 days before.
The same medicine. You don't know, isn't it?
Mother, believe me.
Son, I know that you have taken it and you have eaten it. Where is the balance?
Mother, believe what I say.
Son, your cot is broken. Do you think I don't know anything?
Oh God.
Look,
Mother, without knowing I did it. Don't tell everyone and make me ashamed. The taste of the medicine was very nice and I ate everything, Mother.
shit, no shame at all. Don't you know why I made that medicine?
Father, water.
Yes, son. I asked this much water only.
Do you want to drink it or pour it?
You foolish son. You, on the other hand, I myself am sitting with a broken heart. You are further disturbing
Father,
me.
where should I keep this?
Keep it on my head.
What is this? I'm finding it difficult to find the address. Let me check it again. Charucha? From where has this parcel come? What? Amazon? Africa? Oh ho ho! I think it should be diamonds inside. Okay, let me see it later. Aha! This is the right place. Ah, this is the address. I think I've come to the right place.
who are you? What is this?
Courier, Grandma. Grandma, put your signature in this copy.
Wait,
Huh?
what is this?
What, Grandma?
Who has opened this?
No, I have not opened it.
I know. Who has opened this?
What is there inside? Just some herbs alone.
Okay, if herbs are there, why are you bothered?
Grandma, from Africa you have got these herbs. What are you going to do with this?
My grandson was married 5 years back, but he has no child so far. That is why I ordered. Doctors gave a negative reply, but by this medicine, definitely he will have a child.
Grandma, my marriage is also over 3 years before. Can I have this herbs little?
Get out now.
I think you're a little angry today. I will come and meet you tomorrow, Grandma.
Come tomorrow, I'll slap you.
Father? Mamo?
Yeah, I'm
Mamo,
coming.
where are you?
Why are you so late?
I'm sorry, I had a lot of work. Darling, I'm feeling thirsty. Please get me something to drink.
You know what? Grandmom's made you a very strong new medicine.
A new medicine? Strong? Oh no!
Hey!
Oh,
Where are you going?
Grandma.
It's already 5 years up. You have no children at all. Keep quiet and eat this.
I don't want it, Grandma. Please, Mamo, tell her.
Please have it. Grandmom's telling you no. It's for your good.
Please, don't force me. I don't want
She's
it.
doing it for your good. Eat it.
No, I don't want it.
Please.
Please.
You listen to me, no,
Mamo,
please. Whom do I go
Don't
and tell
force
all
me.
this to?
Please.
Eat it.
Oh, no. Tell Grandma.
Please.
I don't want it. Please, Mamo. Please,
Hey.
Mamo.
Why are you begging him like this? This is for his good only. You go and bring some milk.
Escape.
Come sit.
Grandma.
Listen to what I say and eat this.
Grandma, I don't want it.
Mother,
Please.
I will hold it for you. Give it to me, no? Give it.
Why? You want to consume this also, isn't it? How many cards you are going to break? Just shut your mouth.
My son, Eat it, man. You'll become very
I
strong.
don't want it. I'm already strong. This is enough.
You listen to me. Eat this. Everything will be all right.
No, Grandma. All my body parts are functioning properly. I don't want it. If you have a doubt, you can ask Mamu about it.
You brought milk? Keep this. Give that. Okay. Drink this. Catch him.
Mother, yes, mother.
Hey, I've told you to catch him. You're taking that.
No, Father, no. Father,
Drink, my dear
no.
son.
Come on.
No,
Open
Grandma,
your
no.
mouth.
strong.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Grandmom, something wrong has happened.
What wrong has happened? Wait. Tell me what has happened. Wait there. I'm coming.
You'll become very strong, my dear son.
Oh, Father. No. Mamu is supporting them. One side it's Grandma and the other side it's her. No one will understand my plight. My sister-in-law's
Sister
here.
has come. Hey, where are you running? Stop there.
Sakshi, you come here at the right time. Come.
Leave it. I'll come. Don't worry.
No, you're my guest. Come in. Let's go inside and talk.
Wait, uncle. Let me remove the slippers.
You can remove them afterwards. Come inside first.
Hey, leave her hand first.
She's really tired.
Leave her hand first. Why have you come here wearing such clothes?
I've been to a fashion show. That is why I came in this dress.
You and your fashion show. Who knows when you're going to learn all this?
Sakshi, you come inside. We'll talk later. Okay?
What? Why did you come now? Okay, come. Today, you should not go inside the house without telling me. Today is not a good day.
What has happened, sister?
You'll never understand all that. Just leave it.
I can't even drink water.
Okay, go. Go only to the kitchen, not anywhere else.
coming. Sister, what happened?
Nothing happened to you, right? Did you drink water?
Yeah, sister.
Okay, first you leave from here.
But why?
Oh no, today is not a good day. My time is also not good. You leave immediately.
It's okay. Uncle?
Oh no, just leave fast.
Uncle? Bye, uncle.
Hey, beautiful in this saree.
I'm not ready today.
So what? Just come
No,
near me.
please
Come,
leave me.
Come. Sit here. Give it to me.
No, today is Friday.
Hey, don't be very superstitious. Nothing wrong even if it is Friday. Come, let's enjoy.
No, dear.
Please, darling. Please, sweetie.
Don't
Please,
compel me,
sweetie.
please.
Who do I tell my problems to? My friend. I'll give him a call. He'll be able to help me out.
Sweetie,
I
just
beg you.
one time.
Please
Come on,
don't
for me,
trouble
please.
me.
Come, let's
I'm
enjoy.
not prepared,
Come on.
please.
Hey.
I'm not able to reach him. It's ringing. Pick up the phone.
Oh, who's a stupid fellow?
Pick up your phone.
Idiot, calling during the wrong time. Hey, what's wrong? What's your problem now?
My friend, I have nothing to hide from you. I'm not shy. I can't control myself. You know, Grandma gave me a medicine. It was really strong. What should I do?
Buddy, is it so strong?
Yes, it was.
Buddy, I have an idea for you. It will be a very useful idea for you, buddy. Just go to the toilet immediately.
Okay, my friend. Thank you for your advice. I knew I could always rely on you.
Darling,
What happened?
darling,
What do you want?
please, sweetie.
Switch off the light. Come and sleep.
Shit.
Oh no. I've been going through this for the past 2 days. Grandma! Why did you do this to me?
What? What happened to you? Why are you crying like this?
I really can't tell you what I'm going through, Mother. My wife knows about it. She's not coming close to me.
What is it?
Mamo.
Hey, sit down. I did this medicine.
Another medicine? No, Grandma. Please,
But
no.
this is another medicine.
The whole thing? No, Grandma, please. I don't want it.
Look, eat very little now. That's enough.
enough.
Dear, nothing will happen to you. You eat it.
Mamo, don't trust her. She's really dangerous. You don't know about her. She's a criminal.
I will not leave you now. Catch it. Catch it properly.
No.
Open your mouth.
No.
Yes, eat. Now you sleep. Come on.
Now you sleep.
It tastes really good. It's sweet and it's salty. I feel like having some more. No. Control yourself. I feel much better now. My body is cool.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Who's that? Can't you see I'm sleeping? Don't disturb me.
See this chap. He's disturbed us and he's having a sleep very
Hey,
peacefully.
come on. Wake him up.
Wake up, man.
When did you guys come?
I came 30 years before.
Oh, joke.
Buddy, last night. Hot. How was it, buddy?
What do I tell you? That medicine is there.
Huh?
It's really good, you know.
Really?
My friend, you were the one who advised me that I should go to the bathroom. 4 times. Mwah! Mwah! Mwah!
Hey, just stop it. Why are you doing all these things on me? Just do it your wife.
He's too much.
Buddy, is this herbal medicine stronger than the usual medicine?
Hey, don't think it's that easy to make that medicine. It has 108 herbs in it. Grandma crushed them together and squeeze them, From that juice she makes the medicine. After eating that, what do I tell you? I feel like a wild horse. Oh, it's really strong. I'm not able to control myself. Oh, that's why he was suffering last night. You don't know about that medicine, my friend. It's very strong. I doubt if you can have it.
My dear friend, just request your grandma to give me some medicine.
Hey, after telling you all this, you still want that medicine? Grandma will shout at me. You leave.
Okay, buddy, we are leaving. Let's meet tomorrow.
Okay. Bye, my friend.
Come, buddy, let's move.
Hey, go slowly. Don't be in a hurry.
Yeah.
Ajileya.
Father?
What, son? You're bringing along your friends?
What do I tell you about your mother? She's really great. You're lucky to have her.
Why, son? What happened?
I'll tell you. But where is she? First tell me that.
She was somewhere inside only.
Come out. Grandma,
Why is this fellow dancing like this?
come here. Come inside. Come.
Go fast.
I'm sure she's up to something. Grandma!
What is this? Why did you all come? What happened?
Grandma, where are your legs? I need your blessings. You're truly great. I should thank God. What's your star sign, Grandma? If you go on like this, all the families here will get divided. What do I say about your medicine? Ravi, where are you? Oh, you're here.
Talk slowly. Why are you shouting like this? Why so late today?
Why did you call me early in the morning?
Buddy, I've called you for a very good reason.
Hey.
Come with me. Come.
What happened? Tell me.
Come, sit here.
Okay. What's the matter?
I'll tell you. Just wait. Did you see this?
Hey, this is not right. You robbed it from his house.
I asked him. He did not give. So I just took it away from his house. You also have this medicine. Come on. Have. How is it? It's tasty, right?
I didn't want it, but you forced me.
He's the reason behind all these things.
That medicine was made for him by his grandma. Why did you force me to have it unnecessarily?
I've called him. He'll be coming soon. He'll get it from me.
Don't you dare talk to me. This is all your fault. What happened, guys? Why are you both fighting?
See, he's come. You are the reason behind all these things.
Hey, don't blame me unnecessarily. Now tell me, what's the matter? Wait, I'll tell you.
See that?
Not bad. Not only did you rob it, you also finished it. My grandma's been looking for this for the past 3 days,
Hey, you said if we have this medicine, we'll have a very good feeling. For the past 1 week, I'm getting slippered from my wife.
This is not for that, buddy. This is for sleeping. This will give a reverse action.
Oh.
He forced me to have it and troubled me a lot, buddy. You bloody thieves. I really pity y'all. You deserve it. I think now there's only one solution. Please tell me, what should I do? Wait, I'll tell you. You don't eat drumstick and you don't eat
Buddy,
onions.
now what should I do? Please tell.
Listen to me. Your problems will be solved, okay?
Leave that. I've seen him robbing that. How was it? The one which you have robbed?
Grandma, not only did he eat it, he also forced me to have it. He literally tortured me.
You stupid fellows. You stole this medicine and ate it, eh? I don't know anything about this.
Grandma, please stand up. Come on, guys. Come. Cool. Be cool.
Just keep it.
Come on. They've come to apologize. They want to give you a lot of things. They feel sorry for what they did.
Grandma, after stealing this herbal medicine from here, I had a lot of problems. And my wife is scolding me very often.
If you had to ask me, I would have given to you. I know whom to give and whom not to. You have done a mistake and you have made him also to do a mistake.
Grandma, please accept this.
Why? Why for
No,
me?
please, for me.
What is all this?
Wait, Grandma. What are you waiting for? Come on. I told him no, but he just didn't listen to me.
Hey, you only wanted to do something, right? Do it.
Hey, just take the incense stick.
Why are you doing all sorts of things? What happened?
Grandma, we have done a very big mistake. Please forgive us.
You need not do anything. You just
you
get
sure?
up from there. Get up.
What happened to him? Why is he sitting here? Hey buddy, what happened to you? Why are you sitting here? What is your problem?
I'm in a very big problem, my friend.
What happened?
Come, I'll tell you. I've taken a decision.
So what have you decided now?
I've decided to adopt a child. At least I'll be giving someone a life. I don't know if they'll accept it at home. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh God, please change his mind and make him get married once again. Mom, I saw that doctor's report.
So what now?
In that, they've mentioned that I'll never have babies.
I know all about it. What do you want me to do?
What is this, Mom? You never take anything seriously. Mom. Mom.
Yes, what do you want? Tell me.
Mom, I've made a plan.
What?
You should also agree with that. Shall we get him married once again?
We know what to do. Just shut up your mouth and go.
is this? You are here? Where is that fellow?
He's sleeping inside.
Ah, okay.
Dad,
Huh?
I have something to talk to you about your son.
What is it?
Dad, please listen to me. We should get him married once again.
Oh, good idea. If he is the reason for you not having the child, will you get married again?
Why are you talking like this, Dad? Dad, you don't know. I saw the doctor's report in the morning. In that, they have mentioned that I cannot have babies.
Is that so? I already know that.
Dad, you knew all this and you didn't tell anything. Don't you also want to have your grandchildren?
Look here. We elders are here at home. We know to take the decision. Is that clear? You don't interfere. You may go. Okay?
Leave me. Look,
Huh?
can you fulfill my wish?
Tell me.
I saw the doctor's report.
Okay, so?
I read that thoroughly. I can never have babies.
Oh, okay.
Dear,
Hmm?
I am giving you all pleasure. But mom and dad, they will want to have grandchildren, right?
You're right. But what can we do?
Why can't you get married once again?
Idiot. Stop talking like this, okay? English, 30 marks. Mathematics, 34. Social studies, 36, huh? Science, 44 marks. Hindi, 16. If you had got 1 mark less, you would have failed. Kannada, 51. Huh. Only in this paper have you scored well. Hey, what is this, Shilpa? You've scored low. You better start studying.
Brother, that's not my progress report. It's yours. See whose name is there.
What are you saying? How did you get this?
Look at this. Hey, why have you scored so low marks? You know how much marks did I get?
Father, stop bluffing. I've seen your marks.
Really? Have you seen my mark sheet? Okay, leave that. This time also, females are topping in SSLC exam.
You see, your father is like that, your brother is also like that only. At least you score some good marks and pass the exam.
Sister? Sister? Sister, why did you ask me to come fast?
It's nothing. You take rest first. We'll talk later.
Sister, what happened to you?
How do I explain my situation to you? After all these years, I don't have children. Everybody was thinking that it is his fault. Only day before yesterday, I found out that it is my fault.
So what?
I tried telling everybody at home. None of them are agreeing with me. Now I have only one option. It's a shortcut.
What are you saying? I should marry your husband. There are good doctors and there are good medicines. Apart from that, we have our God.
Everybody in this family has tried everything now. They did many special prayers. They met many doctors. You're my final option, dear. Please don't say no. You have to agree to it.
Even if I agree, do you think your father-in-law, mother-in-law, your husband will agree?
Don't give me any sorts of excuses now. I am the daughter-in-law of this house and I want to do something good for this house. I'll try my level best.
Sister, I had a lot of dreams and I have so many ambitions. But when you request to me, I am not able to say no to you.
Thank you so much, dear. Look, dear, what are you thinking so much?
No, nothing.
How was dinner today?
It was good.
My sister made that. Did you know it?
Oh, your sister made it.
My sister has studied a lot. Do you know that?
Uh-huh.
Dear, she's very intelligent than me. Not only that, she takes care of all the accounts at home. Everybody says that the person who's going to marry her will be a very lucky man.
Oh, I think she's up to something.
Tell me, dear, she looks very pretty, no?
She's beautiful.
Do you know, my father's thinking of getting her married to a very nice man. Do you know, in her horoscope, it says that she'll have 4 children.
Oh, really?
Look, dear, why don't you get married to her?
Oh, really, Mamu? You know something, dear? I'm very happy with you. If I get married to her, I'm sure there might be problems.
You're so adamant. Many people are getting married 3 and 4 times. You know, even when I give you permission, you're not ready to get married. If you get married again, I can play with our children, no?
Huh? Hey, don't talk like this.
Why? I should not play with my husband's child?
Madhu, darling, Mamu, do you really want your sister to get married to me, huh?
Look, if both of you agree, why should we think about other things then? Everything is possible.
Will your sister agree to it?
You know what? I asked her to come here because of this only. I spoke to her about all this. Even she agreed to it.
I know you well. I know why you called her here to our place. Mamu? Mamu, darling? Is all this necessary? You know, from today I'll be your child and you'll be mine. I pray to God that we be happy.
I've been telling you so much and you still won't listen? You always keep giving me tensions like this. You'll never ever listen to me, right? How many times do I tell you?
Hey, don't hit
You should
me.
listen
Don't
to me
hit
now.
me.
I'm fed up with you. Go!
No. Oh. Mamu.
Leave me.
Calm down. Don't cry. Look over here, darling. Don't cry. Why are you crying? I don't like it.
Look, won't you ever listen to me?
Oh, I've always listened to you. I've never said no to you.
If that's the case, then you just get married once again.
You're throwing tantrums like a baby now. Not fair. You're asking me to get married to your sister.
Look, darling, don't give me lame excuses and try to change my mind. Tomorrow is an auspicious day. You should get married and that's it.
Listen, I'm making myself clear. I don't want to get married.
Nobody will ever listen to me. What do I do now?
Oh, no. Oh, Mamu. Darling, come here.
Yes.
Come here.
Please, dear. Please get married to my sister.
You ask me anything in this world, I'll do it, but I don't want to get married to her.
I don't know about all that. Definitely, I'll get you married to my sister.
I'll make myself clear. Forget this birth. In any birth, I will never get married to your sister because you're my one and only wife.
I love you, dear.
Oh, baby, come here. Oh.
Here, drink this.
I don't want.
Nothing will happen. Drink it.
I'm getting scared, sister. Don't want.
Look here, I'm there with you. Nothing will happen. Drink it. Drink it like a good girl. Drink it, dear. Go inside. It's time for him to come. Go, go.
Hey, no, no, no. Hey.
Sister.
What happened? What happened? Hey, what did you do to her?
Sorry, Momo. Sorry,
Hey,
Momo.
after doing all these things, you're saying sorry now?
No, I didn't do anything.
Oh no, you have ruined my
Please.
sister's life. What do I do?
Momo.
Just keep quiet. Oh no, now who will marry her? Oh my god. What justice is this? What will we do now?
Momo, you're getting it all wrong. I didn't do anything.
My own husband has spoiled my only sister's life. What do I do now? Oh no.
Momo, please.
Oh my god, what will I do now? Who is going to marry my sister now? Our life is spoiled now.
Momo, please. Momo, please.
Don't
Listen
say
to me.
anything now. Oh my god, who will marry her now?
You're getting it all wrong. I didn't do anything to her. I swear on the Lord, I didn't do anything.
Here, take this. Tie it.
Please, no. Listen to me. No, don't do this. Please, no.
Hey.
I won't tie it.
You have to do this now.
No, I won't tie it.
Tie it.
No.
You spoiled my sister's life and now you're saying that you won't marry her. Who will come and marry her now?
Oh, I didn't do anything. Please, believe me, Momo, please.
I don't want to hear anything now. You have to tie this now itself. That's all.
No, I won't tie it. I won't tie it.
What is it? Tie it.
No, I won't tie it.
Hold it. Now tie it. Tie it.
No, Momo. No, listen to me. What you're doing is wrong. You will suffer later on. Please,
You better listen to me. My sister's life is more important here. Tie it immediately. Tie it.
Hey, where are you? I have been calling you. Hey, I have been telling you that water is not coming for the past 3 days and nobody is taking care of this. Why are you people behaving like this? Hey, why are you standing in this bathroom? Come on, come out. Come. Oh my god. Hey, who has given her the medicine? Wait, I'm coming now.
Hello? I'll be there in 10 minutes. Sorry, I'm running late. I've started. I'm coming. Huh?
Hey, come here.
What happened?
Sit down here. What's happening in this house?
I'm walking. She's also walking. That's all, Granny. Oh,
Are you joking with me? What's happening here? Why are you people walking up and down?
who are you talking about?
Look at her. She is sitting and thinking something.
Oh, that. No one can understand what runs in a woman's head. If you ask me, you won't get an answer. Go ask her yourself. She'll explain everything to you, okay? I'm leaving.
Mamta? Hey, Mamu.
Yes, Grandmom.
Come here. What has happened? Why you are sitting and thinking?
Nothing, Grandmom.
Look, I know everything. Tell me.
Grandmom, we thought due to his fault, we both didn't have children. That's not true, Grandmom. I saw the doctor's report. In that, it's mentioned that I can never give birth to a baby.
Doctor must have studied for medicine. He will go according to that. Above all that, we have some herbal medicine. Above all that, our God is there. You don't think about anything. Let me see your hand. Don't get scared. I am there. My medicine is there.
No, Grandmom, I saw the doctor's report. It's clearly mentioned that I can never have children. That's why I told Mom to get him married once again. She didn't agree to it. Even Dad didn't agree to it. I told him and even he is not agreeing to it. That's why I asked my sister to come. Grandmom, you please do something and get him married once again.
Look, Mamda, you don't get scared. I am here to help you. You will get a child. Okay?
Is it true, Grandmom?
Yes.
I wonder who's ringing the bell. Hey, who are you?
You've got a courier, sir. Courier boy.
Hey, who has sent courier to us at this time?
The courier is for grandma. Please call her, madam.
Granny!
Who is that who is calling me at this time?
Grandma, you have received a courier.
What? Courier for me?
Yeah.
Give. Where should I sign?
Your signature is not required, grandma. You can have it.
What is this? Instead of coming in the morning, you are coming now?
Morning time will be a little busy, so I thought I did not disturb you. So I brought it now.
Okay. Get lost.
Grandma, please come here.
What do you want?
Let me also have some herbal medicine.
Who told you that I am giving medicine?
I'm sure this box contains herbal medicines.
You just get out from here and come tomorrow.
Okay, grandma. I'll come tomorrow morning.
Go. Hey, somebody comes and knocks the door at this time and you are opening the door for him. Come and close it.
Everyone's got to know about your medicines.
Hey, close the door now.
Ah.
Mamu, come here. Here. You and your husband both
What
should
is it,
read this. Don't ask me all such questions, go.
Huh? You've made something special for me today.
There is nothing like that. Grandmom gave this. We both should drink half-half.
Granny gave it to you? Did she put any medicine in it?
There's nothing like that. Drink it.
Oh, I wonder what she's mixed in it.
Drink it fast.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Give it to me also. I should also drink half. Give it. Darling,
Mamu. Why did Granny give it to you?
how will I know that?
I'm feeling really horny. Are you feeling horny too?
Even I feel like that. Leave me.
You are the one who gave it to me.
Leave me.
I won't leave you.
Hi. How are you? Yeah, fine. So, you tell me. How are things going on? I am doing well. So, when are you coming back?
Grandma,
Okay. Just a minute. Oh God.
let me have some herbal medicines, Grandma.
You want medicine, is it? I will give you now. Go.
Grandma,
Get lost
Grandma,
from here.
little-
Don't come in front of me.
Little
If
medicine,
you come,
Grandma.
I will kick
please,
you.
Please,
Go.
please help me, Grandma. I will not leave you until I get that medicine.
I will never give you the medicine, okay? Get
I
lost
know how
from
to collect
here.
it from
Go.
you. You old lady.
Granny? Granny? Where are you? I wonder where she is. Hi guys. Good to see you. You know, it's been 3 years since our friend got married, but unfortunately, he doesn't have a child.
I'm facing a big problem. My parents are compelling me to do another marriage, but I am not interested at all. I thought I could just get some medicine from Grandma.
Hey, do you really believe in those medicines? I'm having those medicines because I don't want to tell her no, she might feel bad. I want to tell you something, my friend. Go to a good hospital and get treated.
See? What do you know about medicine? These homemade medicines are not new. Years back, people are doing this.
Granny, please leave them alone. For God's sake, please don't tell them about your medicines. They'll take care of their lives.
Whatever medicine we take, we should have the faith on that. If you don't have faith, it will not work at all.
I believe it, Grandma. I need a solution immediately, and that is the reason behind I've come here to meet you
Hey,
now.
why are you behaving like this? Her medicines won't work. Go to a good hospital. That way you might get cured.
He will talk nonsense. You don't listen to that. After some days, he will come to know how good the home medicine is.
Really, Granny? You think he'll get a child?
You are going to see.
If he does, I'll be really happy for him.
Hello? Where are you? How long will it take? Okay, I'll wait for you. What is this? How does grandmother make all this? I don't know. Let me taste it. Wow, it's tasty. Darling, come home fast.
I'm coming, darling.
Grandma. 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 Granny. Granny. Nobody's here? Where has everybody gone? Granny? Granny? Yeah, this is the medicine.
Huh, I can see your 32 teeth. What is that?
Grandma, the medicine?
You want the medicine?
Yeah.
Come on, give. Give it to me, I say. Get down from there. Okay, pull that chair from there. You go and stand in that corner. You want the medicine. Here, eat it. Is it good?
Yeah, it's really tasty.
Okay, turn that side.
Yeah, really good, Granny.
I told you to turn. Not like this. Turn properly.
Granny!
Wait, it's not over. Daughter-in-law, come here. What are you doing there? Bring a glass of water.
Yes, I'm coming. Mom, here is the water.
You have brought water?
Yeah.
Drinking
Yeah.
water, no? Give to him.
Have it.
Did you drink? Now you are not tired? Here. Eat little more.
Why are you giving me again,
Eat
Granny?
it. Eat nicely. Now how you feel?
Now I'm feeling better, Granny.
Ah.
Yes,
Okay. I am tired now. Till you get tired, you
You
beat
come
it.
this side. I will take
Yeah.
care of him. Hey, what do you want? Mom, I'm so tired. You come and start.
Okay, you come this side. Now stand up. Come this side.
For what?
You come first. You be ready. I will beat him from here. You beat from there.
Okay, Mom.
Come
What are
on.
you going to do now? Why are you giving me the medicine and hitting me also?
Do you want to know? If you go to somebody's house and rob, this will be the result, okay? Hereafter, will you rob anywhere?
No, Grandma. I will never ever do this.
Why did you rob the medicine?
No, I will not do it again.
Go to your house. Your wife will give you nicely for 3 months, you see.
My wife too.
Get up from there and get lost from here.
Run away.
Oh. Now you know how to treat the robbers?
Now I know, Mom.
All of you listen to me. I am going to tell a story. A very long time ago, there was a very poor man, and God appeared before him one day. God said, I will give you one boon. Whatever it is, you can ask. At that time, the poor man thought about it. In my house, I don't have anything to eat. Should I ask for prosperity? Or shall I ask my mother's eyesight? Otherwise, shall I ask for a child? Otherwise, shall I ask for any other things? He thought a lot, and last he asked for a boon. With that boon, all his problems were solved. What will be that, tell me?
I know the answer. Very simple. He would have asked help for his mother. Mother is equal to God. If he is a true son, Granny, I'm sure he would have asked the God to give his mother her eyesight. I'm sure the God must have been happy hearing this and would have blessed his mother. When the mother got her eyesight, the son would have been really happy. Am I right, Granny?
No, your answer is wrong.
Mom, for their next generation, they would ask a child, right?
No, he didn't ask for a child.
What else would he have asked? To drive away his poverty, he would have asked for money and more wealth. Is it
Oh,
not?
correct.
Yes.
correct.
No, you don't know anything. You think about money only.
Grandmom, what did he ask, Grandmom?
What he would have asked? All of you think and then tell me.
Shall I say?
Tell me.
He would have asked like this, please give us a boon where my mother can see her grandchild. Just with this boon, all his problems will be solved once and for all.
Very good.
Wow, good answer. My wife is
Very
really
good.
intelligent. Mamu.
Come this side.
Hey, Granny, I don't know what's wrong with her and you're asking me not to touch her? Are you okay?
No, you come.
What happened? Tell me.
What happened to you? What's
I
your
don't know,
problem?
Grandma. For 1 week, I've been having giddiness and vomiting.
Is it so? Let me see your hand.
Granny, is everything okay?
Hey, when did you have your last periods?
It's been more than 2 months, Grandma.
Is it so?
Granny, what happened?
Hey, stupid. You are going to become a father.
Okay. Huh? Really? Mamu?
Hey,
Oh.
just come this side. Go.
What are you saying, mother?
Yes, son. I have done all that I can.
Thank God.
This will be definitely a boy baby.
Thank you, Granny.
Uh-huh. You are feeling so shy now.
Oh,
Huh?
this is the happiest day of my life. Oh, Mamu.
Hey, why are you still standing here? After 5 years, we are getting a child in this house. Don't you want to celebrate?
Sorry, Mom. I will make some sweets.
Okay, okay.
Sakshi, God is great. We human beings are nothing in front of Him. You know, I planned several things for the benefit of this family. But God, He has planned some other things for the benefit of me.
Okay, sister. Good thing has happened now. So let me go home.
Okay, dear. Be careful. Take care of Dad and Mom.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Pick up the phone, guys. Pick it up. Pick up. Pick up the phone, guys. Ah! Buddy, it's me. I've got good news for you. Hello? Buddy, it's me. I'm going to become a father. I'm going to become a father. What? Granny told me. I'm 100% sure. Hey! I spoke to the doctor and he told me that she's pregnant. I even got the reports. Hey! Buddy! I'm gonna get a baby boy. Okay, I'll talk to you all later now. I still have a lot of people to call up. Oh.
Hey, sit straight. The child is not yet
Hi,
born and
buddy.
you are
Hey,
blabbering.
congratulations, buddy. Yeah. Oh, congratulations,
Hey,
thank you.
Get up and sit properly. You both sit, I will bring coffee.
Buddy, congratulations once again.
Congratulations.
What is this? Can't you guys get me a gift? I'm a father now. At least you could have got some sweets for me.
Hey, from last night you're telling the same thing again and again. Actually, you have to give us the sweets. Do you know that? And you're asking
You're
us.
going to become a father, not us. Yes, I know. I'm going to become a father. I had to go through a lot to become one. Hey, offer us a sweet. You want a sweet? Mamu? Mamu, darling! Oh,
Hey, shut up. Just go inside and get some sweets for us.
just a minute. I'll be right back. Huh?
The moment he knew he became a father, he's showing himself too much.
Yes, you're right. Dun ta da! Have little because lot of people are coming to see me. Take it. Hey, stop irritating us.
Hey, are you making us a fool?
Now that you're a father,
Yes,
you
we
need
want
a
a
treat.
treat.
Come,
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 come
with
with
us.
us.
Come,
Come today. Come on, quick. Come on.
Oh dear, why are you torturing me like this?
How's the baby doing?
How can I see the baby?
No, that's not what I meant. Is he playing inside?
Yeah, he's playing. He's playing football. And the match is live on TV. You wanna see?
Shilpa? Shilpa!
Brother?
Come here.
Yes, brother. What is this? Don't shout like this.
Shilpa, get some water. Come fast, please.
Here, brother.
Thank you.
I don't want. You drink.
She doesn't want it.
Brother, nowadays you're going beyond the limit. Sister, please make him understand. I don't know what I'll do now.
Keep it low. The baby might be sleeping.
Give it. Why are you doing all this?
You should be very careful. I don't want you to lift anything heavy. Also, don't get off the bed, okay?
Hey, why are you laughing like this? We are sitting here. Get lost from here.
I'll be right back.
How are you feeling now?
I'm very fine, grandmom. You're taking care of me, no?
Not that. This is the 7th month, no? We should be very careful. After 5 years, God has blessed us now. So we have to take care of it very well.
How are you now?
Mom, how many times will you ask me this? Just now you came and asked me, right?
Don't get down at all. Stay in the bed,
How
okay?
long can I sit in this position? It's really boring.
Then come on, let's go for a walk.
I don't want to walk. At least allow me to do some housework.
Mom, she need not go for a walking or housework. Let us sit like this only.
Mom.
Hey, do you think I don't know how to take care of her? I have already taken 99 deliveries. Now this is the 100th one.
She is my daughter-in-law. I know how to look after her, okay?
Hey, she became pregnant only after I came
As
here.
if you have done a great thing. Otherwise, she will not become
Mom,
pregnant.
why are you both fighting like this? This is really going over the limit. Let her take some rest. You both come out.
Oh, she has come to advise. Let's go. You
Take
take
rest,
rest.
okay? Come on.
Mammu, darling, are you okay?
Hey, what are you doing here? Come on, let's go. Come.
Darling,
Come
I'll
with
be
me.
right back,
Come on,
okay?
come.
Bye.
You take rest.
Thank God. Today is school day.
Uh-huh. Who are all coming for the school
So
day?
many celebrities will be coming, you know.
Is it? Hey, you come here. Sit here.
Why is she calling me?
Where are you going now?
Where else, Granny? To work?
Don't go for work today.
Huh? Why?
Because your wife will deliver today.
Oh, come on, Granny. Stop kidding me. We already got the reports. The doctor said it would take 10 days.
Hey, don't you listen to me? Why should you
Huh?
ask the doctor?
Huh?
I know everything. You listen to me. She will deliver today.
Mother! Mother! Mother!
What do you want?
Come here! Come here, mother! Come here! Come fast.
What's the
Today,
matter?
Granny's going to deliver a child.
What? Hey.
No, Granny. By mistake. I'm sorry. Sorry. Actually, mother, Granny said Mummu might deliver today.
Is it so, Mom?
Yes. I have taken so many deliveries. By her face, I can say that she is going to deliver today.
Mummu? Mummu? Mummu?
Mom! Grandmom! Mom!
Mummu? Mummu? Are you okay?
What happened?
It's paining so much, grandmom.
See, let me see. Didn't I tell you just now?
Bus, car.
Hey, call the ambulance immediately.
Yes, ambulance. Where's my phone?
Hey, stop it. It's in your pocket. Silly fellow.
Yes.
Dial quickly, man.
Yeah. Hello? Get the vehicle fast. No fire. Fire station. Father, I called the fire station by
God.
mistake.
Where did you get this fellow from?
Unnecessarily shouting at me. Call them immediately.
Father, mother, we are in a very difficult situation. Please don't fight. Hello? Sorry. I had to call someone else, but I called you by mistake. Who should I call? I don't know.
Give a call to the ambulance. Dial
Ambulance?
108.
108?
It is 108. 1 0
0
8. Press it, man.
8. Pick up. Pick up the phone. Hello? 108? Ambulance? Will you come to my place? They said they'll come.
Okay. Tell them the address.
Hello, note the address. Do you have a pen and paper? Note the address. Oh no, I don't know what's written on this. What is
Hey.
this?
Hey,
Father,
what are you doing, man?
I don't understand what's written on this.
What are you going to do if you understand this?
Oh, Father, please understand my problem.
Give it to the medical shop. They'll give you.
Oh, I'm not able to understand. How will they understand?
You stupid fellow. Go there, man.
Come on. Go there fast.
Okay. what do I do? Who do I tell my problems to? Oh, I'm in a very
What is
bad
this fellow
situation.
doing?
Why
is
did
he
Granny
doing?
have to go
He's
to the
tensed.
temple?
Dear God, my grandson is going to have a child after so many years. His wife should deliver without any problem. Nothing will happen to her and the child.
Oh, Granny.
He's tensed.
Oh, come
Hey.
fast.
Hey,
Oh,
come here, man. Why are you dancing like this?
Father, Mamu. Father, Mamu. She's not able to bear the pain.
Hey, you're not having any pain, no?
No, my stomach is fine.
You idiot! Shut up and sit down there.
Don't do overacting. Come and sit there. Go there.
Okay, no one can understand my problem. Who do I share it with?
Sir,
Yes,
did you call me?
you're Mamta's husband, right? Come, sit down.
Tell me, sir.
Nothing serious,
Huh?
but you have to be brave yourself.
Oh no. What are you trying to tell me now, doctor?
First, leave my hand.
Oh, I'm sorry. Tell me, sir.
You know something? I had opened this hospital 10 years before. In my medical profession, I've never seen a case like this.
Sir, you're scaring me now.
I have blood pressure, so you need not increase your BP.
God, weren't you the one who created people like him? This guy's irritating me. Tell me.
At any cost, you should not increase your BP at all.
Oh, BP? No, sir.
And for no reason, you should increase your sugar also.
Sugar? No one in my family has it.
Finally, for no reason, don't make your heart weak too.
Heart attack? If you tell me something bad, I'm sure I'll have one.
I'm not going to give any statement like that. For your wife.
Huh?
For your wife.
Huh?
For your wife, she's got a very normal delivery.
Oh.
So the medical bills have come very low, buddy.
Oh no. This guy scared me. You could have told me this when I entered the room. You're a very sweet doctor, sir. If you want some more medicines, I'll go and buy it for you. Please don't give it to anyone else. Please, bye. Mamu.
Hey, why are you like this?
Father, she delivered a baby girl.
Be happy, man. Look here. My mother is a female. Your mother is a female. Your wife is a female. Your sister is a female. Your daughter is a female. Look here. Women are like goddess Lakshmi. You are a blessed man with good fortune. Cheer up.
Father. Mamu?
Call her.
Mamu? Mamu, are you okay? Mamu, open your eyes. Mamu? How are you feeling?
Congrats.
come here. What are you doing?
I'm finding a good place to stick this, Granny.
Already, there are a lot of balloons here. Are you not able to see this? Instead of taking all this and hanging, you are just walking up and down. Look, just because you have got a sun, don't fly in the sky. Come to the earth. Throw that balloon one side and go and do some helpful job there.
Shalini baby, I'm coming. My baby doll Shalini is calling me. I'll be back.
Sa ni ri ga ga, sa ni sa ni ri ga ga, sa ni sa pa ma, ri ga sa ni sa.